So hello, this is a quick follow-up video on my son's quad bike, following the failure of the original electrical motor for this quad bike, which was a 37 volt 1000 watt brush type of engine. It has burned within a 1 year more or less period, so I decided to move on and to install a brushless type of motor, in this case a Vivor. It's the brand there. I'm not sure if you can see it, and in a bit more powerful. So this is a 2000 watt, and of course it does not run on a 37 volt, which is the architecture for this quad bike. Sorry, the quad is a bit dirty, but my son uses it once in a while. So just to remember, this is a 37 volt architecture, so 3 batteries in parallel. So the thing to do in this case is to boost up the voltage here, which you can see here. So I had it here, two, not sure you can see it, they are a bit hidden there. So in this box there are two 1200 watt parallel DC to DC boosters, so they boost up the voltage from 37 volts or like to 50 volts, I think, which is the base voltage that I'm running this motor. And this basically will do the trick. So all you need to do is to connect the battery here to these boost converters, and then to output it to 50 volts around that. So of course I used the new controller from the new motor, which is way bigger than the previous one, and all the connections are pretty much standard, so you can just reuse them. I didn't turn on the lights and stuff like that, so I leave it off, so it has only the basic stuff to run. And this is more or less what you need to do in order to upgrade this type of quad bikes that do not run on a 48 volt architecture. At least this was the way that I did. So thank you.